Yes, Your Honor, I am grateful to my senior for being a professional and accepting that bail is a right that accused persons ordinarily would enjoy. That's what professionalism calls for. Your Honor, these conditions that he is proposing are acceptable to the applicants before you. Where it relates to passports, Your Honor, and travel documents, this will only apply to those of the accused persons who have passports and traveling documents. Not all of them have these documents. Some of them have, some of them do not have. On the question of sureties, we ask Your Honor to use your discretion on the question of sureties, because that only comes in if a party is not able to post a cash bail and is admitted to bond. It may be a term of the bail condition that sureties be provided. We ask Your Honor to exercise your discretion so that if you give us the alternative of cash bail, the issue of surety does not arise. And where there is that alternative, an applicant who pursues the alternative may have to post the sureties. And in fact, I've conferred with my senior and he says that is acceptable to the prosecution team. And then finally, Your Honor, I turn to the billions. This, I said, are nothing else but allegations. Are there billions inside the applicant's pockets, back pocket or front pocket? There aren't those billions. And what the Constitution requires and instructs this court to do is to give reasonable conditions. Reasonable condition may involve the court looking at what is at stake, how much has been lost. But the court must be careful not to take away the primary consideration that has been laid down by case law. The issue is simply, will the accused turn up for trial? How does it help the prosecution? If the court was to make an order, deposit a huge sum of money, and we assume an applicant is able to deposit that money, and he flees his trial, that does not serve any purpose. And that's why the Constitution uses the words reasonable conditions. Indeed, in our experience, those who wish to run away from their trials are quite quick to deposit money in the secure knowledge that he will never turn up for trial. This has been our experience in drug cases, narcotics, and others. So the question is never about billions. It is about, will this person turn up for trial? In fact, you can free them on a free boat and they turn up for their trial. That's all you are.